Welcome back. Well, it's a good time to get in our technical experts with news that the SGX Nifty suggesting a 40-point gap up. Mitessh Thakkar as well as Sudarshan Sukhani are with us. Good morning, gentlemen. Sudarshan, let's come across to you. How would you trade the index? Friday was a bit of a weak session, and even Thursday was one. But today we're likely to see some green. Would you chase the opening or would you stay away?
Good morning, Nigel. The markets have been going through a correction of some kind. Now, at this point of time, they have come to 18,300, which is a minor support zone. Now, there are 2 points. First, we have gone through a correction already, so we have some dips behind us. We have reached a support zone. And third, we have the traditional Santa Claus rally in front of us. That usually happens. I cannot say whether it will happen this time or not, but that prospect is there. So for today, I would be a buyer if 18,300 holds, and then look for whatever gains can come in the market. Keep a 100-point stop loss. Wait patiently till the afternoon. If we see 18,300 holding, we'll like to take a long position home also. And the same applies to the Bank Nifty, where 43,000 is the level. If that holds, then buying would be suggested.
Okay, and we have Mitessh also with us. Mitessh, hi, good morning. Sudarshan, hi, good morning. Mitessh, what's your strategy?
Good morning, Prashant. My sense is that the market has kind of turned slightly on the weaker side with a lot of indicators turning mildly negative. So for me, I think I would want to use rallies to create and add on to short positions. I think it will be very difficult for the index to get past levels of around 18,400 to about 18,450 on the upside. Anything close to 18,400 is an area where I would want to go short. So very clearly, I have a slightly negative view. And while 18,300 has been an important support, we closed below that on Friday. That's not a very positive sign. And a small gap up will not change the opinion. So it's a sell and rallies market for me. Would want to sell into call options or even buy put options for the month of January.
Okay, so Sudarshan is saying that buying at 18,300 is a good idea, and Mitessh believes that if we get to 18,400, a short perhaps makes sense. What about individual stocks, Sudarshan? What is it that you would recommend?
Well, we are looking primarily at mid caps. TVS Motors is a buying opportunity. Now, this is a buy on dips opportunity, which means that the momentum so far has not been positive. The idea is that perhaps we might see some change in trend here because small base is being built. So buy with a stop under 1,012. PEL, Piramal Enterprises, is another buy that where a reasonably attractive bullish pattern is under development. That's a buy with a stop under 848. That's a stock that has been going up even when the Nifty was going down. Trent is an intraday short. Trent has a rather dismal chart. It fails to cross its previous highs, keeps on making lower lows. So an intraday short with a stop above 1432. And finally, Chambal Fertilizers is a buy. Again, a stock that's going outperforming the Nifty. Buy with a stop under 307.
All right. Thanks for that, Sudarshan. Well, Mitessh, what about you? What are the picks you have for us?
Morning, Nigel. I have a mix of buys and sells. On the buying side is Balrampur Chini with a stop at 387, targets of 405 to about 410 here. Gas Authority or GAIL is a buy with a stop at 95 for targets of 100. And on the selling side is Ashok Leyland. If you get a gap up of around a rupee and a half there, go short with a stop at 144.5, targets of 137 here. Similarly, ABB is a sell as well, around 28.50-55. Sell with a stop about 2,900 for targets of 27.70 to about 27.60.